village there was a woodcutter named Bhima. He used to go in the nearby forest and collect wood. He used to collect wood every day and sell it in the market to earn money. One day, Bhima thought of going into the forest and returning back home as soon as possible, as the forest was very dense and was filled with wild animals. Thinking about this, he went into the forest and decided to return back before the sunset. As he reached the forest, Bhima started cutting down the wood. And after some time, when he has collected sufficient amount of wood, he thought of returning back to the home. When he was returning back, he saw an injured baby monkey crying in pain. Bhima threw his all wood down and ran to the monkey to help. Bhima was a very emotional man. He brought the monkey to his home. He took care of the monkey and helped him to recover, and the monkey grew up very fast. After few days, both of them decided to go into the jungle together and cut wood, as the forest was very far and it was filled with dangerous wild animals. They worked together in the forest and collected huge amount of wood. They did this activity for few days. They daily went into the forest and collected wood, and only in few days they have collected a huge amount of wood. Bhima decides to sell the wood in the market and earn money from it. After selling the wood in the market, Bhima gets a lot of money and he becomes rich. One day, both of them were cutting wood in the forest, and after some time, they got tired and decided to take some rest. Suddenly, a wolf from the jungle came and attacked them. The monkey got up and threw away the wolf. The wolf gets up and threatens the monkey. He says he will have to pay for his doing. He will come back again with his friend witch and teach them a lesson. Saying this, the wolf goes away from there. After returning back to home, Bhima says the wolf has given them a warning. He will surely come back with his friend and can harm them. To which the monkey consoles Bhima and tells him not to worry. One day, Bhima and the monkey were going in the forest to collect wood. Suddenly, the wolves come in front of them with his friend to take his revenge from Bhima and the monkey. Bhima gets very scared, to which the monkey asks Bhima to go away from there. He tells him that he will handle them both. The monkey calls one of his friends to teach the wolf a lesson. The monkey's friend comes there to help him, and he throws the wolf away. Due to which the wolf dies on the spot. After this, the monkey's friend goes away from there. Now the witch decides to take revenge of her friend's death and attacks the monkey. The monkey hits the witch and she dies. After killing the witch and the wolf, the monkey decides to return back to Bhima. When the monkey reaches home, Bhima asks him to tell what happened there. The monkey tells him that he called one of his friends from the jungle and both of them together killed the wolf and the witch. Knowing this, Bhima became very happy and he thanked Monkey for his help. After this, Bhima and the monkey started living together.